Every connection powers a possibility. Every wire carries the promise of progress. As India accelerates its journey towards a stronger and smarter electrical infrastructure, the need for reliable, high-quality and future-ready solutions continues to grow. Behind this transformation stands Suzen Electricals India Limited, a company committed to powering progress through innovation, quality and trust.
At Suzen Electricals, our journey has always been guided by a simple yet powerful vision to contribute meaningfully to India's infrastructural growth while creating a long-term relationship with our partners, customers and stakeholders.
Established in 2007, Suzen Electricals has steadily expanded its capabilities and product portfolio to become a diversified manufacturer of winding wires, conductors and power cables. Over the years, the company has built strong relationships with government utilities, EPC contractors, infrastructure developers, and industrial customers, delivering products that meet the highest standards of quality, reliability, and performance. At the heart of Suzen Electricals lies a robust manufacturing ecosystem designed to support scale, efficiency, and consistent product quality. With 3 strategically located manufacturing facilities in Ghaziabad, the company operates an integrated manufacturing platform capable of serving diverse customer requirements across the power infrastructure value chain. While the LT Cable division is operating at over 93% capacity utilization, the company continues to expand its capabilities across HT cables and other high-growth segments to address increasing market demand. Supported by modern machinery, rigorous quality assurance systems, and a skilled workforce, Suzen Electricals is well positioned to scale operations and capitalize on emerging opportunities in India's rapidly growing power sector.
Our focus has always been on building capabilities ahead of demand. Continuous investment in technology, infrastructure, and quality systems enables us to remain competitive and future-ready.
India's infrastructure and power sectors are entering a decade of unprecedented growth, creating significant opportunities across the wires, cables, and electrical equipment value chain. The Indian wires and cables industry, a critical enabler of power transmission, distribution, and infrastructure development, is projected to more than double over the next decade, driven by rising electricity demand, grid modernization, renewable energy integration, and large-scale government infrastructure programs. India's electrical equipment market is expected to grow nearly 3 times over the next 10 years. With an expanding product portfolio spanning winding wires, conductors, LT cables, HT cables, and MVCC solutions, Suzen Electricals is strategically positioned to capitalize on these long-term industry tailwinds and participate in India's next phase of infrastructure growth. Trust is built over years of consistent performance. Suzen Electricals proudly serves a growing network of government utilities, power distribution companies, EPC contractors, and infrastructure organizations across multiple states, reinforcing its position as a reliable partner in India's power infrastructure ecosystem. The company's strong operational execution and expanding market presence are reflected in its impressive financial performance. Over the last 3 financial years, Suzen Electricals has delivered significant growth across revenue, profitability, and operating earnings, demonstrating the strength of its business model and increasing customer acceptance. The company has not only achieved strong revenue growth but has also significantly improved operating profitability, with EBITDA increasing from 3.64 crore rupees in FY24 to 32.08 crore rupees in FY26. This performance reflects improved scale, operational efficiency, product diversification, and a growing presence across India's power infrastructure sector. With a strong financial foundation and a clear growth strategy, Suzen Electricals is well positioned to create long-term value for all stakeholders.
We believe the next phase of the growth will be driven by capacity expansion, product diversification, and deeper market penetration.
As demand across the power infrastructure sector continues to grow, Suzen Electricals is actively expanding its manufacturing capabilities to address emerging opportunities in the LT and HT cable segments. This expansion will increase the company's cable manufacturing capacity by nearly 60%, enabling greater participation in large-scale infrastructure projects and utility tenders. The expansion is focused on strengthening capabilities in HT cables and medium voltage covered conductors, 2 segments expected to witness strong demand in the coming years. With expanding capabilities, a diversified product portfolio, and a clear growth roadmap, Suzen Electricals is positioning itself for the next phase of sustainable growth and value creation.
Every wire we make carries more than power. It carries trust, reliability, and a promise for a better connected future.
From powering industries to strengthening communities, from connecting businesses to energizing progress, Suzen Electricals is proud to be a part of India's electrification journey. Suzen Electricals India Limited, powering India's progress.